Greetings, fellow travelers. Today, we're taking you on a virtual journey to the breathtaking Sanctuary Cap Cana, a luxury collection all-inclusive resort nestled in the heart of Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. This adults-only paradise is the epitome of luxury and romance, offering an unforgettable escape for couples seeking a slice of heaven on earth. So, grab your imaginary passport and let's dive into this extraordinary destination. Let's start our tour with the accommodations that await you at Sanctuary Cap Cana. Picture yourself stepping into a world of opulence and comfort as you enter one of the resort's 324 luxury suites. From cozy junior suites to lavish castle suites, there's a perfect haven for every discerning traveler. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waves lapping against the shore, drawing back your curtains to reveal a stunning ocean view from your private balcony. The rooms are a seamless blend of modern amenities and colonial Spanish charm, with air conditioning to keep you cool in the tropical heat, flat-screen TVs for your entertainment, and well-stocked minibars for those moments when you fancy a refreshing drink without leaving your sanctuary. For those who can't resist the allure of water, the swim-up suites offer direct access to a shimmering pool right from your terrace. Talk about luxury at your fingertips. And if you're feeling particularly indulgent, some suites even boast private pools for an extra touch of exclusivity. With sizes ranging from 50 to 100 square meters, you'll have plenty of space to stretch out and relax. The attention to detail in these rooms is simply exquisite, from the plush bedding to the elegant furnishings that transport you to a bygone era of Spanish colonialism. Whether you're lounging in your suite or soaking up the sun on your balcony, you'll feel like royalty in this castle by the sea. Now, let's talk about the culinary delights that await you at Sanctuary Cap Cana. Prepare your taste buds for a gastronomic adventure across the resort's diverse dining options. At Wok, you can embark on a journey through Asia, savoring aromatic stir-fries and slurping up delicious noodle dishes that will transport you to the streets of Bangkok or Tokyo. For seafood lovers, Blue Marlin is a must-visit. Here, you can indulge in the freshest catches of the day, prepared to perfection and served with a side of breathtaking ocean views. And if you're in the mood for a juicy steak, the aptly named steakhouse will satisfy your carnivorous cravings with prime cuts of meat grilled to your liking. But the culinary journey doesn't stop there. The resort offers a range of dining experiences to suit every palate and mood. Imagine starting your day with a sumptuous breakfast buffet, followed by a light lunch by the pool, and ending with a romantic dinner under the stars. And let's not forget about the bars. The Castle Bar, perched atop the resort's castle-like structure, offers panoramic views that will take your breath away. It's the perfect spot to sip on a craft cocktail while watching the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. For those who prefer to keep their toes in the sand, the beach bar serves up refreshing drinks and light snacks right on the shoreline. With most restaurants operating from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and bars open even later, you'll never go hungry or thirsty at Sanctuary Cap Cana. Just remember to pack your formal attire for dinner. It's the perfect excuse to dress up and feel like you're dining in a real castle. When it comes to pools and beaches, Sanctuary Cap Cana doesn't disappoint. The resort boasts 5 stunning pools, each offering a unique experience. The crown jewel is undoubtedly the saltwater pool, accessible via swim-up suites. Imagine stepping out of your room and directly into crystal-clear waters. It's like having your own private oasis. For those who prefer a more traditional pool experience, the resort's other pools offer plenty of space for swimming laps, lounging on floating beds, or simply cooling off from the Caribbean sun. The poolside service is impeccable, with attentive staff ready to bring you refreshing cocktails and snacks as you soak up the rays. As for the beach, while it may be small, it's a slice of paradise. The sandy shore is perfect for sunbathing or taking romantic walks at sunset. The calm waters are ideal for a refreshing dip, and the resort provides beach service, so you can enjoy a cold drink without leaving your lounger. While some guests have mentioned seaweed issues affecting beach activities, the resort staff works diligently to maintain the beach's beauty. For the more adventurous, water sports like snorkeling and kayaking are available, allowing you to explore the vibrant underwater world or paddle along the picturesque coastline. Whether you're a pool person or a beach lover, Sanctuary Cap Cana has you covered with its array of aquatic offerings. For those seeking activities beyond lounging by the pool or beach, Sanctuary Cap Cana has plenty to offer. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the state-of-the-art fitness center, equipped with modern equipment to help you maintain your workout routine even while on vacation. The resort also offers fitness classes for those who prefer group activities or want to try something new. Tennis lovers can enjoy a match on the resort's courts, perhaps followed by a refreshing dip in one of the pools. For those interested in exploring the local culture, the resort often organizes cultural events and activities that showcase the rich heritage of the Dominican Republic. You might find yourself learning to dance merengue, participating in a cooking class featuring local cuisine, or attending a workshop on Dominican art. And let's not forget about the evening entertainment. The resort comes alive at night with live music performances, theme parties, and cultural shows that will keep you entertained well into the evening. Whether you're in the mood for a quiet night sipping cocktails or dancing the night away, there's always something happening at Sanctuary Cap Cana. Now let's talk about the ultimate relaxation experience, the spa and wellness facilities at Sanctuary Cap Cana. The resort spa is a haven of tranquility, offering a wide range of treatments designed to rejuvenate your body and soul. Imagine stepping into a world of serenity, where the stresses of everyday life melt away under the skilled hands of expert therapists. The spa features hydrotherapy facilities that will soothe your muscles and calm your mind. From invigorating massages to nourishing facials, the spa menu caters to all your pampering needs. Picture yourself unwinding in a steam room, letting the warm vapors cleanse your pores and clear your mind. Or perhaps you'd prefer to relax in a sauna, feeling the heat penetrate deep into your muscles, releasing tension you didn't even know you were carrying. The spa also offers couples treatments, perfect for those seeking a romantic and relaxing experience together. After your treatment, you can continue your wellness journey in the relaxation areas, sipping on herbal teas and enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. For those looking to maintain their wellness routine, the resort offers yoga classes with views of the ocean. Can you imagine a more serene way to start your day? Whether you're looking for a quick pick-me-up or a full day of pampering, the spa at Sanctuary Cap Cana has something for everyone. While Sanctuary Cap Cana is an adults-only resort, it's worth noting that many resorts in the area do cater to families with children. For those considering family-friendly options in Punta Cana, many resorts offer extensive kids clubs and activities. These typically include supervised programs for children of various age groups, featuring activities like arts and crafts, games, and even mini discos. Some resorts boast water parks or dedicated children's pools with slides and splash areas. Family-friendly accommodations often include spacious suites or interconnecting rooms to ensure comfort for all family members. Many resorts also offer babysitting services, allowing parents to enjoy some alone time while knowing their little ones are in good hands. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.